So the ingredients and the items you will need is a tablespoon, water, vegetable oil, a measuring cup, 2 eggs, a bowl to mix your ingredients in, a whisk, a pan that you can put into the oven, and a non-stick spray. Before we get started, make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The first thing you're going to do is dump your brownie mix into the bowl. Then you are going to add 3 tablespoons of water. Then add 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Lastly, add your eggs. Then you are going to stir the brownie mix, water, oil, and eggs that is in the bowl. Now get your non-stick spray and spray it onto the pan. Then you are going to spread the brownie mix in your pan. Now place your pan into the oven for 25 minutes. Once 25 minutes is up, check to make sure the brownies are cooked all the way through. There should be no brownie mix on the knife or the toothpick. That's how you will know your brownie is cooked all the way through. Now your brownie is finally done. You can either eat it right away while it's hot or wait until it cools down.